Okay, I'm recording. This weird bird showed up with a long neck after dark. It's white because the light's on it. At the security gate, it flies up. What could it be? Most birds can't see at night. Its neck was too long to be an owl. And there goes a moth.
Spider.
He says that's a spider, but
You can see the web.
I see a web there, but that looked like a moth flying by. There's a web, but I think a moth flew
Yeah,
by.
yeah.
Everything looks white because of the light at the gate.